So I'm sat in a BMW i4 M50 and next to me is a Tesla Model 3 Performance and we're going to have a drag race. So let me tell you about this BMW. It has two electric motors combined. They put out 544 horsepower and 795 Newton meters of torque. This car is rather heavy though. It weighs in at 2.2 tons. It's quite expensive as well. Starts from £64,000. That Tesla's a bit cheaper, if you can call £60,000 cheap. It's less powerful though. So its two electric motors put out a combined 490 horsepower and 660 Newton meters of torque. However, it is lighter than this BMW by quite some margin. It weighs just over 1.8 tons. It's going to be interesting, this. Now, Tesla, right now you've done that, we can get on with this drag race. Let's do it. What's going to win? Tesla or the i4? I don't know. We're going to find out that.
3, 2,
Launch control is active.
1.
Whoa, baby, yeah! First of all, you were sleeping on the line. What was going on there?
Yeah, I'm not sure it's launch control engaged because this just walked away from the start line then.
I was very pleased with that victory. Unfortunately, we're going to have to do it again because Muggins didn't launch it properly. Oh, now he's getting ahead. Come on, BMW. Have you got the legs? Come on, BMW, come on! Yes! Yes, 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 yes! Yes! Oh, that was satisfying! Oh, oh, oh. I'm not a BMW fanboy. No, I'm not. You got off the line better than me, but I beat ya.
I was going to have you on that one, but you just came flying past me.
I really like the nose on that Tesla. I think it looks better than this BMW. I don't like the other bits, but I like the nose.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the BMW won, completing the standing quarter mile in 11.9 seconds, while the Tesla took 12 seconds.
All right, now we have a riding race from 30 miles an hour. I'm going to call this one in. Let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, this does kick hard, but not as hard as that Tesla. But here we go now, look at this. This is set up for the Autobahn, I'm telling you, look at that. That shot off. You absolutely dropped me.
Caught up with me eventually though.
Now we're going to do the same thing again, but this time we're going to do it from 50 miles an hour. Right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Not such a difference this time. Okay, now we're going to have a brake test from 100 miles an hour when we reach the line for emergency stop. Which car will stop in the shortest distance? This is around 400 kilos heavier than that is. Come on, BMW. You're not known for having brilliant brakes, BMW, are you? Hopefully they're better than Tesla's brakes. Let's find out. Here comes the line now. Nope, they're not better. Yeah, Tesla won that. It's lighter, isn't it?
तो वीडियो देखने के लिए आपका धन्यवाद. Thank you so much.